Pakistan security forces said they have killed 10 suspected terrorists in the southwestern province of Balochistan as authorities step up counter-terrorism operations following a series of deadly attacks. In a separate development, federal investigators have arrested 4 people in the southern port city of Karachi over an alleged network producing fraudulent identity documents for Afghan nationals. According to the Pakistan's military's media wing, security forces carried out several intelligence-based and targeted operations in Balochistan, Surab, and Mastung districts over the past 48 hours. 7 suspected terrorists were killed in Surab and 3 in Mastung. The Inter-Services Public Relations or ISPR said 2 women allegedly recruited as suicide bombers were detained in Mastung along with a suspected facilitator. Security forces also recovered weapons, ammunition, and improvised explosive devices according to the military. The claims and the identities of those killed and detained could not be independently verified. The military said the operations targeted the banned Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or TTP as well as Baloch separatist groups. Pakistani authorities officially refer to the TTP as Fitna al-Khawarij and use the term Fitna al-Hindustan for Baloch armed groups they allege are backed by India. New Delhi has previously rejected Pakistan's allegations that it supports militant activity in the country. Security forces are continuing search and clearance operations in the 2 districts under Azm-e-Istehkam, Pakistan's national counter-terrorism campaign. The latest operations follow several major attacks in Balochistan, Pakistan's largest but least populated province, which borders Afghanistan and Iran and has faced a decades-long separatist insurgency. On July 6, armed men attacked a police post at the Mangi Dam pumping station in Ziyarat district, abducting and killing 27 officers. Security forces subsequently launched Operation Shaban in response. Figures from the Islamabad-based Pakistan Institute for Conflict and Security Studies indicate that violence in the province has risen sharply. Balochistan recorded 71 militant attacks in May, up from 34 in April, an increase of 109%. The province also accounted for 52 of the 54 abductions reported across Pakistan during the month. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said earlier in July that Pakistan's civilian and military leadership had agreed on a unified response to militancy following attacks in Quetta, Ziyarat, and Bela. Meanwhile, Pakistan's Federal Investigation Agency or FIA has arrested 4 men in Karachi for allegedly helping Afghan nationals obtain fraudulent identity documents. The suspects include an assistant director and a deputy assistant director at the National Database and Registration Authority known as NADRA. A watchman employed by the authority and a private agent were also arrested. NADRA manages Pakistan's national identity database and issues the identity cards required to access most public and financial services. The FIA said its preliminary investigation indicated that the suspects had manipulated official records and facilitated the issuance of fraudulent documents. Investigators are also examining possible links between the illicit network and militant groups. The FIA has not publicly presented evidence establishing those links and the investigation remains underway. Officials said records and other evidence has been seized while further arrests were expected. One of those detained had been reported missing a day before the arrests were announced. His family had asked police to locate him, while the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan had expressed concern over his disappearance. The case comes amid Pakistan's continuing campaign to arrest and deport undocumented Afghan nationals. Pakistan has hosted millions of Afghans displaced by decades of conflict, including hundreds of thousands who arrived after the Taliban returned to power in Afghanistan in 2021. Human rights groups have raised concerns over detentions, forced returns, and the treatment of refugees during the crackdown.